Hey y'all, I'm Vivian Knox and I'm from Joyza and I'm here to help you make your do-it-yourself balloon garland kit and help you party like a pro. So let's get started, okay? First thing you want to do is take your DIY kit, empty out all the contents and materials, and I like to section off my balloons into colors and into sizes. So first step is we're going to take our 17-inch balloons, we're going to inflate them and tie them into pairs. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, I have them inflated and I don't love a light bulb look. I like the round ball look. So I'm going to press and let go of the air and deflate a little bit. And this just helps create a rounder look. Now you're gonna take your two balloons and you're going to tie them together. Just a simple knot. Once you have it tied together, you're going to have a pair like this. Okay, we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna continue inflating all of our pairs, all of our 17 inches with each other and all of our 11-inch balloons together with each other until the next step. All right, y'all, step 2. We're going to have 4 of our 11-inch balloon pairs and set them aside, okay? Don't touch them. You'll look at that pattern sheet and you'll know why. So, step 2, we're gonna take our pairs, we're gonna open them up and create an X. And then we're just gonna twist and make a knot and twist them together. And now you have a quad. Isn't that cool? And you're gonna continue and make these with the rest of the 11-inch balloons and the rest of the 17-inch balloons. Don't worry, we're not touching our bitty baby 5-inch balloons yet. That's coming up. All right, step 3. You're now gonna take the 260 balloons that kind of look like strings, and you're gonna take the head of the 260, and we're going to tie a knot around our pair of 11-inch balloons to start our pattern. Okay, and I'm gonna double knot it just because I wanna be extra secure. That's step 3. All right, step 4. We're going to take our pair that we just tied a knot to, take our 260, don't be scared, it stretches really big. And now on the pattern, we go next to a quad of 17-inch balloons. You're going to take the 11-inch pair, snug it real tight to the quad, and what we're doing is we're just tying a figure 8, connecting our pair to the quad. And notice how I'm gonna have tons of strings still left over. That's step 4. All right, y'all, step 5. We're gonna continue with our 260, adding as many pairs and quads of balloons as a 260 can handle. So we're gonna push it together, tie a figure 8 around it. Now for time's sake, we're gonna tie the end. Once you have as many as you can get onto your 260 line, you're gonna take the tail end of your 260 and just tie a double knot around the tail of one of the balloons in the quads. And there you have it. And then you're gonna continue with these steps until your whole garland is complete. All right, y'all, it's step 6 and we're almost there, okay? We're gonna take the 5-inch baby balloons and we're gonna repeat steps 1 and 2. We're gonna inflate them into pairs and quads, whatever you prefer. Tie them together. Again, I hate the light bulb. So release the air, make them more rounded. Tie a knot together. And now we're gonna take our 260, repeat what we just did with the garland, tie a knot and double knot it to the pair of our balloons. And then we can layer it on top. Think of sprinkling cupcakes. And wherever you wanna place it, you just grab a balloon, twist, tie a knot back onto the 260 and the tail of the other balloon. And now you have it tucked in. And what I love is, look, if you make a mistake, it moves. Isn't that awesome? there you go. This is what it should look like at the end. Like this. Isn't she awesome? All right, so you can rewind the steps if you need more help. Also, we have additional videos online to help you party like a pro.